Install YouTube app in Windows 11. For that, firstly, we need to go to the Chrome or any of the browser. So I'm going to this. From here, you need to search for YouTube, or otherwise you can tap on the YouTube option, which is above available. So let's say I'm tapping on this and it will take me to the page where I can access my YouTube channel. Now let's say if you need to download that or install that YouTube in the Windows 11, you could find the plus computer plus icon, which is if you place cursor it shows which is app available and install YouTube. So let's say if you can't find this, you need to tap on the three dots which is beside that, and in this list of options you need to tap on apps. From here you could see this install YouTube option, or otherwise you can tap on this button from here, and there you need to tap on install, and you could see that YouTube has been installing, and from there you can pin it to the taskbar or otherwise pin it to the start. So let's say I'm not allowing all those, and you could see that YouTube has been downloaded on this Windows 11. So you need to follow these steps for installing your YouTube app in the Windows 11. Thank you.